For the second portion of your assignment, you're going to have to draw an image that shows depth. Make sure you have the 3 different layers of depth on your image: foreground, middle ground, and background. That means you need to have something close, something in the middle, and something far away, so it should be a lot smaller than things that are in the foreground that are close to you. It must be a complete drawing. You do not have to use color. I know that your supplies are limited at home. You can use a pencil, but it must be a complete drawing. It must have value. It must show depth. It must have some sort of details to it. I want you to create your own image. Do not copy an image that you find on the internet. I want you to be creative, guys. This is the time you have at home to be creative. So make it count, guys. Anyway, y'all take care, and I can't wait to see your drawings.